One of the worst parts of working outside in the winter is cold fingers. So let's warm up our hands while keeping it Canadian with this week's featured product, the crazy horse grain gloves from Watson. These gloves are made from a specially tanned goatskin leather Watson calls dry hide, which is also water resistant but also breathable. Combine that with a 350 gram polyester velvet lining and your hands will stay dry, warm, and comfortable in our cold Canadian climate. The leather on the fingers is also pre-curved, meaning the user gets more grip strength since they aren't fighting the leather to bend, which also makes them more durable than your standard leather glove. The wrist contains double-stitched, snug-fitting elastic band, so you can easily slip these gloves on and off with no hassle. There's even an extended cuff that slides over the sleeve of your jacket, providing extra warmth and prevents snow getting trapped under your jacket and gloves. So come on down to Gregg's to keep your hands warm and support 2 Canadian companies with this week's future product, the crazy horse grain gloves from Watson. What's your go-to winter glove? Let us know in the comments and stay tuned for more weekly featured products. Have a great Canadian day.